If you've ever felt frustrated by overpriced fishing gear that just doesn't deliver, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. The Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combos caught my eye right away with its impressive full kit, priced at just $46.97. If you want a complete setup that makes getting into fishing easy, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. This kit includes everything a novice needs, from the telescopic fishing pole to a smooth 12+1 shielded bearing reel. The 8.86-foot rod is made of high-density carbon fiber, giving you the durability and flexibility you need while casting for bass. Plus, the stainless steel guides help with smooth casting and heat dissipation, which is essential if you're fishing for long hours. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clear this combo is popular among beginners looking for value. Now, some people complained about the rod being a bit stiff for their taste. Here's the thing though. If you're just starting out, this rigidity actually helps with casting distance and accuracy, which makes it a great choice for learning the ropes. This is perfect for you if you're new to fishing and want a straightforward all-in-one kit. But skip this one if you're a seasoned angler looking for advanced features or customization. For the price, you're getting a solid deal. Now, if the Placino's stiffness concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach with more flexibility.
Product number 2. Placino Telescopic Fishing Rod. The Placino Fishing Rod and Reel combo is another solid choice, priced at just $29.75. If portability is your main concern, this is definitely worth a closer look. This model offers a range of lengths from 1.8 to 2.7 meters, making it perfect for different fishing scenarios. The carbon fiber construction gives it excellent elasticity while still being durable, which means you won't be compromising on quality just because it's cheaper. The stainless steel hooded reel seat is anti-corrosion, so you can take this rod saltwater fishing without worrying. Plus, it has a solid line capacity, which allows you to catch larger fish without fear of snapping. With around 800 sold last month, it's gaining traction among anglers. Some users mentioned it feels a bit light and less sturdy than expected, but honestly, that lighter weight makes it much easier to carry around, and it's ideal for a long day of fishing without the fatigue. This is great for you if you want a lightweight and portable option that won't weigh down your backpack. But if you need something more robust for tougher fishing conditions, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a fantastic bargain. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something ultra durable. Product number 3. Ugly Stick Dock Runner. The Ugly Stick Dock Runner spinning reel and fishing rod combo priced at a mere $17.59. If you're looking for something incredibly affordable yet reliable, this one could be right up your alley. This 36-inch rod is compact, making it perfect for quick trips or beginners who need something easy to handle. The Ugly Tech construction combines graphite and fiberglass for a strong yet sensitive rod, which means you can feel those subtle bites. It comes pre-spooled with a 6-pound line, so you can start fishing right out of the box. With about 800 units sold last month, this is definitely a popular pick for casual fishers. Some reviews pointed out that the rod is too short for larger fishing adventures, but here's the thing, its compact size is actually a bonus for kids or those who are just getting started. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or fishing with kids and need something easy to manage. Skip this if you're an experienced angler looking for a rod that can handle larger catches. You get a ton of value for such a low price. Now, if you're looking for something that comes with more accessories, the next option could be just what you need.
Product number 4. MCI RIS ETO Fishing Pole Combo. The MCI RIS ETO Fishing Pole Combo is another interesting option, retailing at $39.99. If you want a complete set with more than just a rod and reel, this one deserves your attention. This combo includes 2 telescopic rods and 2 fishing reels, making it perfect for sharing with a friend or family member.
The rods are designed for durability with fiberglass construction that's both strong and lightweight. The added accessories like lures and a carrier bag make it a great starter kit. With around 700 sold recently, it's clearly meeting a demand for budget-friendly complete sets. However, some users mentioned that the guides can be prone to breaking if not handled carefully. But honestly, if you treat this gear well, which you should, it should serve you well for a long time. This is ideal for you if you want an all-in-one kit for 2 people, or if you're just starting out and need everything in one package. Skip it if you're looking for a high-end setup. At this price point, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you prefer a more traditional setup, the next product might be what you're after.
Product number 5. Zebco 202 and 404 spin cast reels and fishing rod combos, selling for $44.99. If you're serious about getting a versatile rod that works well for different fishing types, this is worth considering. This combo pack includes 2 rods, each 5 foot 6 inches long, which offers flexibility whether you're fishing for panfish or bass. The no-tangle design is fantastic, especially for beginners who might struggle with casting. Both reels are pre-spooled, so you can hit the water right away. Based on sales, it's clear that many find this setup reliable for their fishing needs. Some users did mention that the rods feel a bit heavy, but here's the thing. That weight can actually help with casting stability, which is crucial for accurate throws. This is great for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use setup that can handle a variety of fishing situations. However, skip this if you prefer a lighter rod for long fishing trips. It's a solid value for 2 quality setups. With all that said, it's time to wrap things up.
We've looked at some fantastic options today. The Plusino fishing rod combo offers great value for beginners, while the Ugly Stick Dock Runner is perfect for lightweight casual fishing. The MNCIR ICE Tow combo provides excellent accessories for new anglers, and the Zebco 202 and 404 is versatile for various fishing needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Plusino fishing rod combo because it covers all the basics for a novice angler.